This is yummy. We have like little pancake, custard filled treats, blueberry, banana, sausage. That's Torah. This is what breakfast looks like at the Sukhumvit MRT stop. Buy two. I'm hungry.
Okay, two. Which one you want, with egg?
With egg, always.
Okay, this one.
Wow, the waffle stand. I love IKEA furniture. Anything that screws together, I love. This way to IKEA. The IKEA cafe is here. They have Swedish meatballs. All right. It's like any IKEA I've seen anywhere else in the world. Here are the displays. Just like back home. The just right kitchen for you. I like it. I hope we didn't interrupt anybody having their breakfast. Ah, there you go, the living room. There's where my old Singer sewing machine went. It's right here in IKEA. Follow the arrow on the ground. It'll tell you where to go to spend money. Yes, we had this one in our bedroom apartment in Sacramento. I've always liked the butcher block style tables. Grew together furniture is what you need. That way you don't have to worry when the bank kicks you out of your house and it's time to bug out. Ah, this is the perfect kitchen for your closet apartment. Minnie likes it. This way to your new life. Kitchen might fit a little bit better into your closet size apartment. Or perhaps this one. The end is near. Exit that way. Run. Don't walk to the exit. Wow, that's what Bangkok looks like from IKEA building. There's the BTS track down there. That must be Sukhumvit. Wow, what a big city. This might be a better view here. Another angle. There's the Carlton. There's the Novotel up there. And then there's swimming pools on rooftops down here. And we're out of here. Down we go, back to the house.